In 2026, the gentle gate agent is being replaced by an unblinking AI scanner that knows your bag is 1 inch too wide before you even reach the jet bridge. Airlines are quietly rolling out a carry-on crackdown designed to catch millions of travelers off guard. If you don't know the new zero-tolerance rules for 2026, you're not just looking at a delay, you're looking at a mandatory $75 gate check fee. Here is how to beat the gate bot. The old metal sizer boxes are being phased out for AI-powered 3D sensors at the gate. These scanners measure every dimension, including wheels and handles, in real time as you walk past. Gate agents, who might have let a slightly big bag slide, are no longer in charge of this decision. The gate is now automated, and the fines can be charged instantly. The AI Gatekeeper. The 2026 border isn't just for faces, it's for zippers. AI cameras now measure your bag in 3D while you're still in line. The wheels included rule. Airlines are finally enforcing the total dimensions rule. If your wheels stick out, you're paying the $75 oversize penalty. 2026 brings a universal size standard, 22 by 14 by 9 inches, about 55 by 35 by 23 centimeters. Everything counts. Wheels, collapsed handles, side grips, any bulging pockets. You can't assume a 21-inch label means it fits. If wheels and handles make it 23 inches, it's oversized. The AI compares your bag against the rules in a fraction of a second. Even a millimeter over, and it flags you. Airlines say it speeds boarding and enforces the same standard for everyone. But if you're not prepared, it feels like a trap. Think like the scanner thinks. The personal item trap. The definition is shrinking. In 2026, if your backpack doesn't slide completely under the seat without a nudge, it's reclassified as a carry-on. Rigid, boxy shapes and floppy totes that spill outward are getting flagged. It cannot protrude into the aisle, invade your leg space, or extend above the seat frame. Gate agents are trained to look for these shape violations, simulated at home. Typical underseat space is around 18 or 14 x 8 inches, but it varies. Choose a slim backpack, purse, or laptop case. Skip the overstuffed school bag. A purpose-built underseat bag avoids the surprise $75 reclassification. Lithium and electronics. The safety squeeze. If your bag has a non-removable battery, you will be denied boarding. No exceptions. The battery ban. If your smart bag doesn't have a button to eject the battery fast, TSA will flag it as a fire hazard. Remove the battery before the airport and carry it in the cabin. Never leave it in checked luggage. Up to 100 watt-hours, generally allowed in carry-on. 100 to 160. Wash. May be allowed with airline approval. Think big cameras or drones. Over 160. Watch. Usually not permitted on passenger planes. If you can't find watch on the label, multiply volts by amp hours. If tools are required or it's sealed in the lining, it's non-removable and banned. Check this before you leave. There's no fix for a banned battery at the airport. Jet bridge scales. The floor you're walking on is actually a scale. Even if your bag fits, if it exceeds 7 kilos, 15 lb, it's going to the cargo hold. Weight adds up fast, especially if airlines combine carry-on and personal item weight. Weigh at home. Step on a scale with and without your bags. The difference is your total. If you're over, move heavy items to checked luggage or leave them behind. Managing weight early keeps you off the gate scale's radar. The zero-tolerance policy. Gone are the days of asking nicely. The system automates the fee. The agent can't waive it. When a bag is flagged, a $75 charge can auto-post to the card on your reservation before you reach the podium. Sarah stuffed souvenirs. Her soft bag bulged an inch too deep. The scanner flagged it. A $75 charge hit instantly. The agent showed the data but couldn't reverse it. Mark prepared, measured, weighed, and found he was 2 pounds over. He wore heavy boots and moved a book to his jacket. At the gate, his bag cleared size and weight, no extra cost. Wearable luggage. The only thing they can't tax is what's on your body. Use a tactical travel vest. Store your phone, power bank, wallet, passport, and a small tablet or book in your jacket. Pick a soft shell. Compress to reduce bulge. Hard shell has no give. Use the army roll and packing cubes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Checklist. 1. 22-14 including wheels. 2. Battery removable, power banks under 100 Wh. 3. Under 7 kWh 15 lbs. 4. Personal item fits fully under seat. You think your bag is safe because it fit in the overhead bin last year? Think again. For 2026, airlines are deploying cognitive friction at the gate, using AI sensors to slow down the line and scan every piece of luggage for size and weight violations. If your bag is even half an inch over the limit, the system triggers a $75 gate check fee that is automatically charged to your boarding pass. It's a psychological squeeze designed to force passengers into higher-tier tickets. But there's a secret. The AI looks for volume, not weight. If you use a soft shell compression bag and wear your heaviest items through the gate, you disappear from their radar. Before we reveal the 3 bags that are invisible to the new 2026 scanners, hit that subscribe button because the airlines are betting on you being unprepared. Think compact, soft-sided, low-profile pockets, and flush wheels. Subscribe for the full breakdown and stay 2 steps ahead of the gate bot. Have you ever been charged a surprise fee at the gate? Tell me the airline and the price in the comments. Your bag is only one part of the equation. Watch our video on 9 silent airport upgrades to find the hidden zones where you can repack in peace. Check the description for our 2026 carry-on size guide for every major airline.